I don't play the guitar, but today in the workshop I'm going to build this guitar stand out of whiskey barrel staves. I wanted to do this project for a while, and I finally got a deal on some barrel staves that was too good to pass up. Whiskey barrels are definitely not treated too well. The inside is burned and they're pretty dirty, but you can still smell the whiskey. So the first thing to do was use an angle grinder with a flap disc to get the layer of dirt off the outside. I'll have links to everything in the description down below, including a link to where you can buy your own whiskey barrel staves. After cleaning them off, I took two staves that were about the same length and drilled some holes with a 1/2-inch Forstner bit. I'm using washer head screws, and I figured having the screws sit in a recess would look better than on the surface of the wood. I put the screws through each stave and made sure to offset them so they wouldn't run into each other. Then I clamped them together and drove in the screws. Next, I cut a barrel stave in half for the bottom of the stand where the guitar will rest. I also cut out a piece, which I ripped in half for connecting the base to the vertical support. I laid things out as best I could, but I'm doing this entire project on the fly. It's not very difficult, you just need to make sure the dimensions are correct for the size of your guitar. Here I'm marking out where to drill the holes to attach the bottom support. And here you have a nice shot of my battery. After screwing in the bottom support, I put the guitar on to give it a test. I cut out two pieces to support the guitar neck. I drilled holes in them and attached them near the top. I lucked out and the guitar neck is the exact width of the two vertical barrel staves. The only problem I had with this entire project was this last screw. It wouldn't lock down, so I added some wood glue and then screwed it in. I actually went back and added some wood glue to all the connections just to keep things a little more solid. I let the glue dry and gave it one more check before finishing up. And speaking of finish, I'm using 2 coats of General Finishes High Performance Water-Based Top Coat. I always love the way anything made from whiskey barrels or wine barrels turns out. The combination of white oak, char, and staining from the whiskey really makes it stand out. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.